Hello, let's take a look together. How to test and verify the printer toner cartridge chip. Do you know what rigorous requirements Geninda make to the chip testing? Geninda tests the chips in printers directly to ensure the use effect is same as the end user, and we simulate all kinds of printing circumstances to complete the performance testing. Our independent research and development testing tools test the finished chip of 100%. Chip life testing. When Geninda produce each lot of chips, we pick some chips randomly to test the complete life to ensure the printing pages are exactly same as end user. Any question about printer toner cartridge chips, please ask Geninda.